Hi Fabs, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Even though I'm saying good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, then though it's the traditional way of starting the vlog. It's night here and we're just starting the vlog because we've been resting up all day today. We've been going at it non-stop ever since we got here. So today was kind of a rest up day until tonight. We have a date with my father-in-law, so we're going to his house tonight for dinner and that he can see Tyler for the first time since we're here. And if you're wondering where that noise is coming from, it's right here, right here. Tyler,
Bonjour,
Tyler,
bonjour, bonjour.
Say hi Fizz.
Hi,
I'm counting as usual. He's repeating everything that I say. He's counting as usual. And my father-in-law has been away, so it's the first that we're gonna see him since we're here. He lives in the city. If you guys didn't know, he just live. Yes, he just live a little a few minutes drive away from here. So we're going to spend the afternoon with him, and I'm sure Tyler is going to be delighted to see Papi and to spend time with his grandfather tonight. So he's here full of energy. He got enough rest today and all that. So yeah, we're about to head out in just a bit, and of course we'll show you a little clip here and there of Tyler spending time with his grandfather and us having dinner. So hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day. Ty, hopefully you guys are having a wonderful day and is enjoying our little vacation vlog. Baby's here too.
Hi guys, I'm trying to control Tyler from this noise.
No, you're making him scream. So how are you controlling him?
Look, if I don't do anything, you're beating myself.
Look at these two. Hilarious. Babe and I are actually ready and just tell to get ready. So I'm gonna get him ready in just a bit and then we're going to head out with all this laughing and gallivanting. But I love when he's this happy. Anyway, you guys, we'll catch you in a bit. Alright, my father-in-law, you guys, is there. And already give for Tyler. Put him here, so. Go, Tyler, open it. Go open it. Put down the car and use your two hands. What? What? Wow. Wow. That's pretty. Whoa, Ty, I love it.
C'est pour qui? Pour qui? C'est pour qui? Pour papa ou pour Tyler?
Who is it? For who? For Tyler. Go, there's more in the bag. Go open it, the bag. I love it. Wow. Let me see. Wow. Wow. I love this. So cute. There's more? What is that?
Ah oui, ça c'est l'île Maurice. On dit au fait, il y a ton t-shirt à part ton sweat. Ton sweat, je vais le chercher.
Got a t-shirt. Ah, Tyler, I love this.
Mauritius Island.
Okay, I love this jacket, honey. Papi soon come, Papi soon come, Papi soon come. So Tyler already start opening gifts as he got here. Tyler got a gift every day since he's in the city, since we're on vacation. Every single day he got a gift. Oh well, maybe. So there's our aperitifs, you guys, for starters, and then we're going to have dinner over there. I'm waiting on my brother-in-law to get here.
Sinon, il est pas très chiant.
There's more gifts over there for Tyler. Crazy.
Tu veux ça où là? Je verse dans cela là?
Oui, les couples là. Ouais.
Il n'y en a plus?
Not on me.
Non.
W.
Tu vois tes chaussures tout à l'heure?
I don't want to anybody who's going to the house.
Tu vois les chaussures à papy? Les chaussures. Elles sont jolies. Celui-là? T'es sûr c'est celui-là?
Go over there.
Attends, c'est celui-là, t'es sûr?
T'es sûr c'est celui-là? C'est pas le petit là?
You sure that's his?
Là, c'est à lui?
La lutte? Oui. Ça c'est
Il y en a deux pour lui.
au petit de Sébastien.
Il a pas eu à travailler.
Ah. C'est pas le papier qui va t'arrêter. Hein? Hein? C'est pas le papier qui va t'arrêter. Oh.
Oh, tu sais, l'autre jour, il y avait ce qu'il y avait. J'ai regardé pour l'eau. Petit, il y a Delaveau. Mais tu sais pas Delaveau, tu sais le petit robot là, comment il s'appelle? Le petit robot. R2D2 hier. Avec un truc, tu peux le faire avancer et tout. Il est comme ça.
Ah, bientôt il aura droit au.
Baby, we're opening.
Machin volant. Merci.
On va le Chine.
Chine. C'est quoi? Des Lego? Oh là là, il va falloir compter le nombre de pièces. Hein.
Ouais.
Tyler, dis merci.
Fais un bisou.
Vous les servi?
Bisous.
Papi et à tata. Je dis tata, je dis pas mamie. Hein.
Bisous à Tata.
N'oublie-toi de lui faire. Voilà, tu vas te faire des pâtes en verre.
Tu veux ça? François?
Et un petit coin à Gilles.
Tyler, open it. Tyler. Ty, open it.
Ludo, t'as.
Tyler, open it. Open it.
C'est un fond quand même.
Bon,
Open it.
Tourne-lui, Jules. Tourne-lui le cadeau. Tourne-lui pour qu'il puisse ouvrir plus facilement.
c'est de ce côté?
Non, mais de l'autre côté, le cochon. Il sait même pas par où ouvrir là.
Ben oui, il est.
Open it, Ty.
Pour qu'on lui parte de l'autre côté, lui.
Non, là. Là.
Voilà, c'est bon, Jules. Ramasse ta voiture sous le canapé.
Mais ça, je te ressens un peu.
Oui.
Hein?
Il a mis sa voiture sur le canapé.
Tout enfant.
Bah, tant pis.
Let's give Jules his.
Papi, hein?
Give him his.
Tyler gonna give it to you.
Va te mettre à la vaisselle là. Regarde, il est en train de s'ouvrir.
Tyler, open it. Open it. Open.
T'es en vacances?
Hein?
T'es en vacances?
You're so handsome.
Il fait des petites escapades.
Oh.
Oui, bon là,
Honey.
on n'a pas trop fait
Honey.
ces derniers jours parce que
Bébé.
j'ai eu pas mal de boulot. Mais on part la semaine prochaine là. On se fait une escapade un week-end au
parce
Paw
qu'avec
Patrol.
les coffrets,
A
là.
Paw Patrol, I don't
Si, mais après, moi je peux poser de.
But this one is the one with Ryder.
De temps en temps.
Ok.
Tu l'avais déjà?
Sure.
Tu l'avais déjà?
Pas de patrouille. Il avait pas.
It's Ryder truck. You connais?
Mais il avait pas celui-là.
Non, non, non.
Tiens, regarde.
Tiens.
Hop. Regarde. T'as vu? Il y a la
He's having a Paw Patrol collection. Open it. Wait, wait, Papa will open it for you.
Regarde, attends. Je le donne à maman?
Là, tu passes de
Tyler.
à 12.
Give him this one to give to Jules. Tyler, come here.
Je mets pas au-dessus de la bougie.
Tyler, give it to Jules. Pas Jules? Give it to him. Pas toi?
La boîte à papier.
Oui.
Oh, tu dis quoi? Mets-toi là. Où? Avec tes voitures. Tu mangeras plus de yeux sur la table. Non, doucement, mettre le boulard. On va pas casser quelque chose. Hein.
C'est une bille.
Jules, attention. Regarde, il y a Mélissa qui fait une photo. Attention. Attention.
Moi, j'ai vu qu'il y a un mot de Adeline quand même. Oui, à chaque fois, il y a le mot d'Adeline. J'ai eu au téléphone ce matin.
Non, mais non, c'est pas sur le parking. Non, mais
Ou des trucs.
Non, ça, ouais, ça, on prend plutôt.
oui, oui, ça me plaît, mais ça, je
Mais sinon, je suis d'accord que le côté pratique, mais nous ça nous fait sortir, être au contact un peu du monde. C'est que c'est pas forcément le plus plaisant, mais.
Ouais, c'est-à-dire, nous on prend vraiment le.
Je suis d'accord sur.
Curry, this one.
No, I don't want any sauce.
Est-ce que je remets des patates?
Bon, on va voir un peu si c'est rapide ou pas.
On va voir.
Pas mal rapide, hein.
L'an prochain 30 ans.
Yes.
Combien 30 ans
30 ans.
30 ans l'an prochain.
Moi j'ai les temps
Toi,
encore.
t'as fêté les 30 ans cette année.
Toi aussi?
Non.
Non.
Oh.
27?
Tyler. Tyler.
Okay.
Tyler.
Oui.
Cheese moment.
Qu'est-ce que tu vas faire?
Famous French cheese.
T'as encore des feuilletés aux saucisses?
Alors maintenant,
Dessert
Non, mais je sais
time.
pas si c'est toi qui l'as pris ou si
Non,
c'est
non,
moi.
je fais tout. Tout ce qui est pâtisserie, je vais jamais.
Hi guys, say hi Fibs. Say hi Fibs. He just want the light to turn off, that's all. You guys, Tyler want to sleep, you guys. He just want to sleep so bad. We just got back from my father-in-law, which is Tyler grandpa and babe dad. We had a good time and we're tired and we're just coming on to end today's vlog. It's not gonna be much, but we're giving you guys as usual. We're just gonna go ahead and give you guys a French and a Jamaican expression for today. Babe, what's the French expression gonna be?
Papa,
Oui, Tyler, c'est quoi l'expression aujourd'hui?
papa,
Yes, it's Papa dear.
Alright, the French word for tonight is gonna be lumière. So this is Tyler that used to say now every night. Lumière, right? Lumière mean light. So Tyler is always say turn off light or turn off lumière or yeah. So because it's the end of the year, you can see a lot of lumière on the street, and yeah. So that's gonna be the French word for today. It's coming from Tyler and is lumière.
Tell Tyler to say it.
Tyler, lumière. 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 Good job.
Lumière.
Dear Mama?
Lumière.
Right, lumière. So that's the French word for today, and it's coming from Tyler.
Alright, you guys, so there you have the French word, and the Jamaican expression for today is gonna be licky licky. If you hear Jamaican say the girl they licky licky or the boy they licky licky really means that that person wants everything. So somebody say, Mel, how you so licky licky? It simply means that everything you see somebody with, you want it.
Licky licky.
Yes, you're too licky licky.
You're too licky licky.
Yes, a licky licky. Licky licky. Yes.
High five.
They always says
Good job.
girls or women not to be licky licky, because when you're licky licky, men always want something in return. Yes, Tyler, licky licky. No licky licky around here. He said no licky licky. Said no licky licky.
So it's the expression made in Tyler tonight.
No licky licky. Alright, you guys, this boy wants to go and sleep. Licky licky licky. So we're going to go ahead and tell you guys thanks for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed today's little vlog. Give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and if it's your first time watching, don't forget to subscribe. We love you guys. Comment down below, say subscribe, catch up, keep up. See you tomorrow. Bye. Isn't he the cutest? Bye guys.
Bye.